Yes guys, what's going on there? It's your boy NJ. Welcome to the NJ Show, the home of all your reaction videos. This is the place to be for all of your entertainment needs. We're reacting it every day of the week. That's right. For my amigos, my NJistas, that's right, we're doing it for you. So hit it up right now in the description box. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, it is all there, and you see it up high in the sky. Go give it a follow, then go say hello. Right then, welcome to the show. Are you ready? The Butcher King is going to come out to play. Oh my days. Are you ready then? So here we go. Şebnem Ferah. I don't know. No idea how to pronounce her name. My apologies. You know me by now. The king of the butchers. Butchers every goddamn name on the show. But that's the way it goes. She is then performing the song. And it only gets worse. My god. Yağmurlar. I don't know. No idea. 9 times out of 10, I fucking annihilated that. So, tell me how to pronounce it in the comments below. Anyway, we're not here to watch me pronounce words. We're here to watch me react to this next video. So, without further ado, let's go. Expect the unexpected. Let the countdown commence on 3, 2, 1. Let's go. First time reaction. Not a clue what to expect. I'm excited though. What do you got for me? Alright. We got a ballad on our hands. Behave. It's different. Very poetic though. Guys, you gotta help me out though right now. Tell me, where is she from? What's her background? Is this her most famous song? I have no idea, but all I know is that you guys want it on the show. You want the best, you got the best. So, tell me where Şebnem Ferah is. It's a pleasure to have her on. She sounds good. Not only does she sound good, she looks good. So, let's get some more. Let's go. Come on. Weird as well, the water coming over her, it looks like. I gotta give it to her, man. I gotta give it. No idea what she's singing about. But the melody lines, the song, the music, not too shabby. Oh, she's a poet, alright. She's a poet and she don't even know it. when this came out. It looks quite old, I would say 2000s, the noughties, perhaps. Early noughties. Maybe a bit late 90s, I don't know, but to think this has been around. And I had no idea it existed until now. Say, you want her back on the show? If you do, like the video and subscribe. I know I do. She's pretty cool, man. Nice. There you have it. Wow. Incredible. There you have it. It doesn't matter. You just got to appreciate. At the end of the day, appreciate music. And whatever part of the world you're on, you know, from, or it's amazing, isn't it? It doesn't all have to be English. There's so many songs that are out there that I have no idea exist until now, until someone gets in the comments, goes, NJ, mate, bro, listen up, I got one for you. And then they throwed me this one, and the next minute it's on the NJ show, I'm reacting to it for the very first time, and it's incredible. And now I'm probably, you know, you guys are going to watch it, that somebody as well has never heard of this person. So that's cool, man. We're just promoting great times, good times, and great music, right? That's what we do. So expect the unexpected in the next video. If it's anything like that, oh my god, it's going to go off big time. That was then Şebnem Ferah from the song Yağmurlar. Oh my god, butchered it, but fuck it. You know what I always say. That's right. We got to head on out of it. It ain't going to get much better than that. We got to get straight into the next reaction video. I'll see you there. It won't be long, man. Trust me. Get your comments, get your reactions, get your requests in down below in the comments. And yeah, one day your request, your reaction video will be on the NJ show. So then, let's do it. Let's wrap it up. You know who I am. I'm your boy NJ. You've been on the NJ show. You know what time it is. It's time to go. But we will see you very soon in the next reaction video. Cannot wait, my friends. We will see you later.